Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
A crime-free Christmas? It's what Prime Minister Andrew Holness is hoping for. However, he's pointing to concerning intelligence from the security forces that this perhaps will not be the case.
Now, Mr. Holness was speaking in Manchester today, where migrating criminals have been causing fear among residents. We have details in this report.
The event was the handing over of a house under the government's social housing program in Knockpatrick, Manchester. Stacey Stevens is the latest recipient. But even as they smile, there's an ugly truth which threatens to disrupt the peace in several communities in the parish: increasing crime.
I am aware that the Jamaica Defence Force has increased its presence and its operations in the parish. Certainly, they have been conducting exercises within the town of Mandeville itself, and some of you would have seen their operations.
Next week, the states of public emergency declared in several parishes will expire days before Jamaicans celebrate Christmas, amid concerns about increased criminal activity after the government is contemplating using the crime-fighting measure again.
When the SOEs expire, that the government will seriously and carefully consider the application of a new state of public emergency to ensure that we can save more lives.
Mr. Holness further dispelled assertions that the government is not open to having dialogue with the opposition on reaching a consensus on crime.
We will continue to hold out hopes that there can be a bipartisan approach to solving crime. But in the middle of this organized criminal activities, where the criminals relish whenever there is a divide as to how we should treat with crime, they are continuing their criminal acts.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.